Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off those relentless Jira email notifications once and for all. If your inbox is flooding with every issue update, comment, or status change, don't worry, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have total control over your Jira email preferences, so you only get the alerts that actually matter to you. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get to the right spot in Jira. This is where you'll manage all your personal notification preferences. So take a look in the top right corner of your Jira screen. Depending on your setup, you'll either see your profile picture, sometimes called your avatar, or a little gear icon that says Settings. Go ahead and click on whichever one appears for you. This will open up a menu where you can change all sorts of preferences related to your account. It's easy to miss, but getting to this menu is the key to unlocking your notification settings. Now that you're in your account menu, look for a section called Personal Jira Settings. Somewhere in here you should see an option for notification settings. Click into that. If you've never visited this page before, you might see a list of different types of notifications that Jira sends you, like emails about issue changes, comments, and assignments. This is where all the power lies for customizing what comes into your inbox. When you land on the notification settings page, you have two main options for controlling Jira emails. If you want to go all in and just stop everything, no more early morning emails about comment threads you're only loosely attached to, there's usually a main switch labeled something like Send Me Emails for Work Item Activity. If you turn that off, Jira will stop sending all those notification emails associated with activity on tasks and issues. Sometimes this is the fastest way to reclaim your inbox, especially if you already check Jira frequently. But maybe you don't want to go nuclear. You still want to know when you get assigned something, but not when someone just updates a ticket's description. No problem, right below the main toggle, you'll see a list of different activity types with individual checkboxes. Here, you can choose exactly what you care about. For example, you might see options like work item changes or comments. If you don't want to know when someone adds a comment, just uncheck that box. It's like telling Jira, hey, only bother me when it's truly important. This way, you're not missing out on critical assignments, but you're also not being interrupted with every small tweak. After you've made your choices, take a moment to double-check your selections just to be sure. In most current versions of Jira, changes here save automatically the moment you make them, which is really convenient. However, in some older or customized Jira instances, you might have to scroll down and click a Save or Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. If you see that button, give it a click to lock in your preferences. If not, don't worry, just exiting the page should be enough. And that's it, you've successfully tamed Jira's email notifications. Remember, choosing the right notification settings can really help you focus. Think of it as decluttering your digital workspace so you only get the info you actually need. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Jira tips and heaps of other tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your much calmer inbox.